The owners of these channels make millions of dollars. Why? Because they work in a niche that gets massive views. You can also create all these videos using AI. For example, look at the views on this short video. It's amazing, and it was made with AI. Check out how many views this video got in just 8 days. Other videos get these kinds of views in just 1 day, and they're all made with AI. Let's go step by step and I'll show you how to grow a horror YouTube channel from scratch. Step 1. Choosing a channel name using AI. We'll ask ChatGPT to give us some name ideas for a horror YouTube channel. For example, I'm going to choose the 6th name. Step 2. Creating the logo and YouTube banner. First, we'll ask it for an AI image prompt to make a logo based on the name we chose. As you can see, it gave us 5 prompts just like we asked. Now we use those prompts in Google's AI image tool, ImageFX, with a square aspect ratio. When all 5 images are ready, we pick the best one. Now we move on to the YouTube banner. We ask it for a detailed prompt to make a suitable YouTube banner based on our channel info. And again, we use ImageFX to create it. Step 3. Writing the channel description and tags. Now, we ask it to write an SEO-friendly description and tags for our channel. Then we add them to our channel. Keep in mind, this video is just about making horror videos, not about editing or growing the channel, so I won't go into that here. But I'll share pro-level tutorials on that in the future. Step 4. Choosing a topic and writing the script. Now we ask it for 10 video topic ideas based on our channel's theme. I choose the 2nd topic and ask it to give me the script for that one. So now we have our script. Step 5. Creating the voiceover with 11 Labs. Now we'll make the voiceover using 11 Labs. Don't forget to mention the video's topic at the start of the voiceover. We choose the voice we like and click Generate.
Just trust yourself, then.
There is no greater harm than that of time wasted. The mirror that shouldn't exist.
Now the voiceover is being generated, and now we download it. Step 6. Generating the video scenes using Flow plus VO3. Now we ask ChatGPT for 5 video prompts based on our script to create AI-generated scenes. I use VO3 to make my videos, so I go into Flow, but you can also use Gemini or other free tools. The tutorials are on the channel. I add the prompts one by one and generate the videos. Remember, I've posted pro tutorials for making videos, images, and voices with both free and paid AI tools, so check those out. And don't forget to subscribe. Our motivation and income come from your likes, comments, and subscriptions. Step 7. Creating a thumbnail with AI. We ask ChatGPT for a prompt based on this script and generate the image. In the future, I'll also show you how to make thumbnails in Photoshop. Alright, the one in the top right looks perfect. Step 8. Editing the video. Now we do a quick edit in CapCut. We also have Pro CapCut editing tips on the channel. You can find them in the CapCut playlist. And the final step, uploading the video and adding a description. Thanks for watching till the end. Stay tuned for the next video. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments and we'll reply quickly. Don't forget to like and subscribe.